So hope you have already finished this part and we will check the detail. If the I smaller than 10 is true, we add the I to sum. We add the I to sum. And the variable I is 1 at the beginning, and then we'll increment to 2 and 3 and so on up to 10. Yeah, up to 10. When it's become to 10, it's not satisfy the while statement. Yeah, so it becomes false. Then it will not doing the following things. So when I is 10 and I smaller than 10 is false, so the loop ends, terminate. The sum at this time is 1 plus 2 until 9, so the result will be 45. So this is another example. If you accidentally write the following code, what will happen? For example, your sum equals 0. This is your I will be the control variable here. Initial value is 1. And then you make the sum, new sum equal the old sum to plus I. And you make this, control variable, I here, just out of the body. So inside the body, the I is always B1. He have no chance to increase, right? Because you make these statements out of the body. So it will become the unlimited loop. So it's, just a very small things, but it will make the, the totally wrong result and waste a lot of resources, right? And don't forget, control with C, you can jump to the loop. So note, the body of the entire loop must be indented. Yeah. And it is a state here that I equals I plus 1. It's not the main body. Yeah. And not the main body of the loop. It will result in an infinite loop. Yeah, infinite loop. Because I is always 1. In other words, I smaller than 10 is always true. Always true. So it will do that again. Yeah, can jump or quit the loop, infinite loop. Yeah. So this is an example. Yeah, demonstration in your page 136. So we will use the while loop to rewrite the sample program 4.4. Do you remember we have the chance to do the things we allowing the users to continue the input new answer until the answer is incorrect. First, we will randomly generate two numbers from 0 to 9, number 1 and number 2, and we subtract two numbers. Must be the larger one, subtract small one. Swap must be required, right? We want the larger one, subtract the small one. And we prompt the user to enter the answer. What is number 1 subtract number 2 equal? Yeah. If the answer is wrong, then output wrong answer, try again. So it means you have to ask the user try again until the answer is correct. Then output, you got it. So we try to do it. Demonstration. We use the idle here. Yeah. So it's interesting, right? Yeah. First, because we will use the random. So remember import random. Yeah. So we have two variables here. Yeah, first is first number. Yeah, first number, we give that have the random dot random. The range is from 0 to 9, right? And we copy these statements and make it another one, right? And we have to check something. If the N1 smaller than N2, then we swap. How do we do the swap? N1, comma, N2 equal N2, comma, N1, right? Oh, sorry, it's comma. It's not period. Okay, this is swap. If you do not, if the N1 really larger than N2, we do not do the swap, right? So then we do the following things. We want the user to give us the answer. So the answer here, we want the user. So we prompt the user. Yeah. Yeah. Input. And remember, yeah, we will ask them what is, yeah, remember, because it's input, it have to be all string. So will you use the string for N1, right? And plus, this is subtraction here. Subtraction, yeah, because this is a plus, so it will become a totally string. So I want it have with the spaces. Otherwise, use combined together is just the best style. And then we also use the plus to connect the other string, first to the second string into here, and also use the plus. Okay, yeah. And we need the equation mark here, and still keep the spaces, and with the question mark here, and also the spaces. Okay, and the user will answer the result. So while we use the while condition here, while, yes, while the answer equal to the N1 subtract N2 means you are correct, right? And we print. No, when it is not equal, we want to do it again. So when this situation, we print you are wrong. Yeah, you are wrong. And we ask the same questions one more time. So this is very important because we want it incorrect, then we look, right? We want it until it's correct. So it can be double equation here. It should be not equal here, because when it is equal here, equal the result, we want the user to jump the loop. So when it is real, the correct answer, we want it print. We got it. Got it. You got it. Yeah. So try. So I will pretend to make the wrong answer and until so many times, and until I really got the correct answer. Okay. So save it. What is, oh, I pretend the answer is wrong. Oh, ask me again. Not really. Okay, 3. Yeah. So it will make the user, because I don't know the user how many times you will can get the correct answer. So you will continuous x until you got it. The answer really equal the N1 subtract N2, then you will jump the loop. So it's your time.